Hello, my name is Pauric Kavanagh and I'm Operations Director at KORE Insulation. So our technical team then takes the architect or the structural engineer's drawing and the placed foundation profile around the perimeter of the house and the designed individual pieces to fit together and the design of the floor insulation and get a very accurate quantification of all the material required. They'll then do a layout plan and a cut plan for the production team. So then it moves over to the production team then. So the production team starts with making the EPS 300 in a big block mould. The material is about 3.6 metres by 1.2 by 1.2 in diameter, and it moves on to the cutting lines where it's cut by automatic profile cutter which cuts out the L shape of the foundation. They match that to the cut plan that's given from the technical team and they quantify it and pack it up and wrap it up and palletise it, and it goes out to our distribution team then who ship it to the customer for installation.
For quality assurance we test every foundation. There's a sample taken from each block that's used in the order. Samples are taken up here, cured and tested for compressive strength. Compressive strength is one of the main components of the foundation system. It ensures that it's going to be able to carry the load of the house. These are samples that are taken from the foundations. They're 100mm cubes. They're loaded into in between the plates. The plate is lowered, and when the test starts, the top plate comes down and compresses the specimen roughly to about 12.5% of its original shape, and the measurement of stress at 10% is measured then, so we get a result. For every piece or every block that's sampled, we have 5 cubes, and the result is gathered from that. We do a wide variety of testing on all our EPS products: fire testing, bend and strength, thermal, dimensional stability, water absorption and compression. We've also started tensile.
Both the core and the construction industry, the NSAI is an independent certification of the product, so it's verified that the product meets the requirements that's in the spec of the product. So there's greater confidence within the industry because of the strict and high standards that the NSAI apply. This product does what it says it does. So for ourselves it gives us great confidence. We're dependent that, you know, been working on this product for a number of years, and now it's rubber stamped that it does what it says it does, and that gives confidence to the construction industry, and hopefully it will make the product become more mainstream. So we see the system becoming mainstream in all buildings going forward over the next few years. So why will that happen? It's just that it's the natural progression of more efficient homes, and this will be a major driver in the foundation side and integration into floor, getting rid of that thermal bridging. So we'll see more and more builders adapting to it, which is good for ourselves and good for the climate action of the country. What we've done in-house ourselves here is we invested in a larger block mould that allows us to do a greater variety of foundations, easier achieving the quality, the stringent quality that's the requirements, so, and also more efficient. So we are doing our part to help the environment as well, and our next steps would be probably automating or more cutting, that we can turn around the product in a quicker space of time. I just think this is a great product, and watch this space. I think this is going to become the norm in the years to come. So if you're building at the moment, I'd advise you to seriously look at this and consider it, because it will definitely save you both time in your build and money in the long run on your energy bills.